Okay, viewers, today's discussion topic is short techniques of few mathematical problems. Okay, on circle. Okay, now see type 1. Okay, here is the problem. A circle passes through the point 3, 5 and 6, 4 and centered on x-axis. Which one of the following is the equation of circle? Okay, now here is the option 1, x square plus y square minus 4x plus 11 equals 0. Option 2, x square plus y square minus 3y plus f equals 9 equals 0. X square plus y square plus 5y equals 0. Okay. X square, option 4, x square plus y square minus 6x minus 16 equals 0. Okay. Okay. Now here see the circle passes through 3, 5 and 6, 4. That means the equation of circle must satisfy these two equation. Okay, equation of circle must satisfy these two equation. Okay, if we apply from the first, that will be a that will take a long time. Okay, then centered on x-axis. Okay, now we'll see centered on x-axis. That means f equals 0. Okay, we will find out where f is 0. Okay, now option A, x square plus y square minus 4x plus 11 equals 0. Okay, there is no f. Okay, this option we can take. Okay, x square plus y square minus 3y. Okay, there is a y. Okay, the option will not be considered. Okay, x square plus y square plus 5y, that will also x square plus y square minus 6x minus 16. Okay, there is no f. Okay, then we can take this option. Okay, now we have two options, a and d. Okay, then the solution. Okay, then above these two equation, one equation will satisfy these 2 points. Okay, now 3, 5. Okay, if we use 3 and 5 here, 3 square plus 9, that is 34, minus 4 into 3, that is 12, plus 11. Okay, the right side will not 0. Okay, then this option is not correct, then we will go option D. Okay, x square plus y square minus 6x minus 16. Okay, now putting the value 3 and 5 here, 3x and 5y. Okay, that is 3 square plus f square, that is 3 square plus 5 square minus 6 into 3 minus 16. Okay, that is 34 minus 34 equal 0. Okay, the option D is correct. Okay, if you use 6, 4, that is also 6 square plus 4 square, that is 36 plus 16, 52 minus 6 into 6, that means 36 minus 16. Okay, that means 52. That means 52 minus 52, that will also will be 0. Okay, okay, the answer will be D. Okay, now type 2. Okay, now type 2, problem number, if the line segment joining the 2 points minus 4, 3 and 12 minus 1 is taking as a diameter of the circle, what is the equation of circle? If we use the formula, that will also will be correct, but it needs huge time. Okay, so we will test the option. Okay, here is the option. Okay, now we will mm, uh, uh, now we will check the option. Okay, now here minus 4, 3. Okay, x here, x and 3. Okay, now see solution, x square plus y square minus 8x minus 2y minus 15. Okay, now we will use the form, the value minus 4 square plus 3 square minus 8 into minus 4 minus 2 into 3 minus 51. Okay, that is 16 plus 9 plus 32 minus 6 minus 51, that means minus 57 minus 57, this is equals 0. Okay, though, so the answer will be D. Option D is correct. Okay, similarly, if we use the point 12 minus 1, that the left side will also verify. You will use it. Okay, 12 minus 1 here. If you use 12 minus 1 here, 12 square minus 1 square, 12 will 8 into minus 12, then we will get 0. Okay, that is also satisfy this equation. Then it will be easy for you. Okay, you will test the option. Okay, in this case you need not to remind the formula. Okay. Okay, now type number 3. Okay, type number 3. Okay, a circle passes through the points -1, 1, 3, 2, and the center lies on the line x plus 2y plus 3 equals 0. Okay, the equation of the circle. Okay, if we go from the general equation, that problem will also bigger. Okay, then we will test the option. Okay, here four option A, option B, option C, and D. Option A is x square plus y square minus 4x plus 5y minus 15 equals 0. X square plus y square minus 8x plus 7y minus 3 equals 0. X square plus y square plus 8x minus 7y plus 3 equals 0. X square plus y square plus 4x minus 3y equals 0. Okay, now we'll test the option. Okay, here if we use x equal -1 and y equal -1, the solution. Okay, we'll take this equation x square plus y square minus 8x plus 7y minus 3. Okay, now we'll put the value of x and y. Okay, -1 square -1 square minus 8 into -1, 7 into -1 into 3. Okay, then you'll get 1 plus 1 plus 8 minus 7 minus 3. Okay, that is 0. That is 0. Okay, the option B is correct. Okay, you will test the option. Okay, this option. Okay, then if the left side and right side satisfy, then that way option will be correct. Here option B satisfy both 2 points. Okay, okay, that is the answer is B. Okay, type number 3. Now type number 4. Okay, what is the equation of circle passing through the points 3 minus 1 and concentric with the circle this? Here concentric means the circle, the required circle, the center of the required circle will be the center of this circle. Okay, this circle. Okay, here the center of this circle is 3 and -4. Okay, 3 minus 4, and the circle will passing through 3 minus 1. Okay, we will test the option. Okay, now see, here is the option 4, 1 2 3 4, that means A B C D. Okay, now we will test the option similarly. Okay, here solution x square plus y square minus 6x plus 8y plus 16 equal. Okay, now we'll put the value x equal to 3 and y equal -1. Okay, here 3 square plus -1 square minus 6 into 3, 8 is -1 plus 16. Okay, that means 9 plus 1 minus 18 minus 8 plus 16. Okay, that is 26 minus 26. Okay, that is 0. Okay, okay, the point satisfy the equation this. Okay, then the equation will be this. Okay, so the option C is correct. Okay, here you have to test all the option. Okay, then those option will satisfy this equation, that will be correct. Okay, so the option C, that means 3 satisfy 3 minus 1. Okay, that is the option. Okay, that is the equation. Okay, now type 5. Okay, the equation of the circle traces x-axis at point 40 and whose center lies on the line 5x minus 7y plus 0. Okay, here there is a 4 option. Okay, we'll test the option. Okay, this point. Okay, 40. Okay, now see the solution. Okay, x square plus y square minus 8x plus 6y plus 16. Okay, now we'll take x equal to 4 and y equals 0. Okay, here 4 square plus 0 square minus 8 into 4 plus 6 into 0. Okay, that is 16 minus 32 plus 16 equals 0. Okay, that is 0. Okay, okay, that is 40 satisfies this equation. Okay, so this equation will be the required equation. Okay, so the option B is correct. Okay, so the option B is correct. Okay. Okay. Now type 6. Okay. Type number 6. Okay. The equation of the circle that traces y-axis at 0, 4 and whose center lies on the line 5x minus 7y minus 2 equals 0. Okay. Now here is the option. Okay. Now we'll test the option here. Y404. Okay, the circle passes through 04 point. Okay, now see the option x square plus y square plus 12x minus 8y plus 16. Okay, now we'll test here. X is 0, y is 4. Okay, 0 square plus 4 square plus 12 into 0 minus 8 into 4 plus 16. Okay, that is 16 minus 32 plus 16. Okay, that is 32 minus 32, that is 0. Okay, so the option A is correct. Okay, similarly if you use option, okay, to find the correct answer, that will be easy for you. Okay, this type of problem you will test the option. Okay, if you use the formula and solve this, that will take more time. Okay, then but you in your exam you will get less time. Okay, then the option will be the best option. Okay, okay, today is no more. Okay, thank you for stay with us. Thank you.